So good morning. So this is what I see from Patong Beach today morning. If you not park properly in your line, you can see here. So it's 500 baht pound. Police will lock your motorbike if you park like that. So make sure you park in proper line. I just get the notification, not now, just now. So you can see here the bill. So 500 baht early morning. Good news.